Hello, wonderful listeners. Welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. The only show where your troubles become my dance floor. And trust me, I've got two left feet, so you're in safe hands. Today's message comes from a faithful follower who's caught in a classic automotive conundrum. Their longtime trusty car has become more of a money pit than a ride. They are facing frequent breakdowns and mounting repair bills, and wondering how on earth to cover the cost without draining their wallet dry. The love-hate relationship with an old car, like caring for a cantankerous pet that occasionally eats the furniture. Now, before we dive into the depth of grease and dollars, let me just say this. Your feelings here are 100% valid. Cars might be machines, but the memories and independence they carry, that's priceless. And the thought of losing that because of endless repair expenses, that can sting like stepping on a Lego in the dark. So, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not failing. Life sometimes throws us challenges that seem to come with their own gas guzzlers attached. Let's talk solutions without judgment, but with a sprinkle of reality. First, it's tempting to pour money into an old car, hoping for a miracle fix. A research in behavioral economics reminds us about something called the sunk cost fallacy. That's when we keep spending just because we've already spent so much. Kind of like finishing a TV series that's going downhill just because you got through the first season. So ask yourself this: is this car a reliable companion, or just a frequent flyer to the mechanic's lounge? If you find yourself leaning toward the latter, it may be time to shift gears, pun intended, and consider alternatives. Public transport, carpooling, or even a car sharing service can take a heavy load off your wallet and stress level. Yes, it might mean redefining your routine, but sometimes a fresh perspective sparks creativity in ways repairs never will. But hey, if the emotional bond to your vehicle is strong, and I get it, sometimes cars feel like old friends who've been through thick and thin. Then let's talk budgeting like wise financial architects. Prioritize essential repairs that keep safety intact. Maybe create a car care fund where you stash a little away monthly, turning that looming repair into a manageable monthly nibble rather than a monstrous whack. Psychology also tells us that setting small, achievable financial goals improves motivation and reduces anxiety. So celebrate even the tiniest victories like a well-timed oil change or a fresh set of tires. And since money matters can gnaw at your peace of mind, why not turn this challenge into an opportunity to flex those problem-solving muscles? Consider consulting a trustworthy mechanic who can give you a clear breakdown of costs and advice on what's truly necessary versus what is just making noise. Transparency here equals power over panic. Lastly, remember to be kind to yourself. Financial stress is no joke, but neither is self-criticism.
Your worth isn't linked to a functioning car.
No matter how much it feels like a lifeline, even in tough times, you are valuable, resourceful, and capable of steering your life in the right, whether that's behind the wheel or navigating alternative routes. So my friend, whatever you decide, whether it's keeping that better beauty alive, exploring new options, or bit of both, know that this is your story, with always bumps and smooth stretches. You deserve peace of a potholes and joy of a jump. And remember, we are all here riding our engines together, sometimes stalled, sometimes cruising, but always moving forward. Keep those messages coming, folks. Anthony out.